Oh, can you see that? We're at Home Depot in Fort Myers, Florida. And behind me is a little bit of fun. We got the Milwaukee guys. We got some MX fuel. I found the M18 mower. That's right. And if I'm lucky, see if we can put one in the Raptor. So let's go see what over there, and I'm gonna bring you guys along. Oh, there they are. MX fuel. Whole bunch. I think I saw a 3/4 inch D-ring impact. We've also got some stuff inside, so I'm gonna go give you a quick overview of what I've seen, and then we'll get talking about them.
It's like
got the mower. He's got a nice little tent set up. They didn't have the M12 fan, the little M18. Love some packouts. So yeah, we're going to talk about it. But as you can see, he's got a pretty good selection. And unfortunately, there is not a ton of packouts. But we will find them. All right, behind me, this is a nice PACKOUT setup. So today we're going to show you a couple of these setups, and we're going to start right away at this. It's a veto bag. You guys keep asking for this. It's simple. Double-sided sticky tape. Put them in your holes. Put your bag on it. Pull your bag off. Drop your screws in. You're done. You don't need anything special. Stealth mount 3D printed, doesn't matter. We got drawers. Look at these things. Completely set up. I know you guys are going to love it because there's no foam. You don't need it, but it does organize it. Got a whole torch. All planned out, and you know, it's all on the top. Your bins, your your slow profiles. This guy's got it set up to do every kind of odd job that his job might call them. Funny one, this is intentional, right? This bed slide, look at this height. So this is just there for looks. Then we got some stuff that probably gets used a little less in the back. Stealth mount feet, double-sided, pulling the PACKOUT cart. Heck yeah. We got the M12 in between. Perfect place for the ladder to go in. PACKOUT vac, we love that. Paint and caulk, you gotta make sure you keep your caulk, pipe fittings, parts, you name it. Like these up. We even have the M18, a welder. I like that. Welding, love it. Very well thought out. And then on the sides, look at this. Compressor. Oh yeah. Oh, so much fun. And of course you always gotta have a chainsaw. We got another one, Adams, who is actually a local. I mean, this one's local, but we know Adam a lot. Look at that, it's just beautiful. All right, let's go look at Adams. All right, so now we are at Adams, and he does HVAC. Between my seats. Oh, it's cool. He's got a good color hat. You know what I'm saying? And look, what's that? Oh no, that's just product placement. Sorry. Look at this. So this is a nice working setup. I was explaining it to someone else over there, but you can tell, right? It's set up because he uses it. And we've got the shelves, plywood, That's not a unistrut. That's more of like a. That's like a half. That's that is part of the.
Yeah, it's for the truck. It's on the ground too.
Okay.
It's for the shelves.
Oh,
but there's like little slide brackets, and you put a bolt.
So it's sort of like a unistrut, but
sort of
not. It's sort of specific for it.
It's like what's this stuff here?
It's like the E-Track.
Like the E-Track, specifically for truck shelving.
Gotta have a cooler. So that, I noticed you have the black and red, so you put that one together too.
The black one I'm building. So I'm building.
Oh, these are, okay, that's right. You cut them off?
So this is their, that's their
stubby.
Do you have it? Yeah, so I'm building my own. I bought this one I'm building. So I got the adapters and then the automotive underneath it. But I don't use a ton of metal.
So you just ordered the trays?
The tray I just ordered, yeah.
Okay.
This one I ordered as a whole and then put it in here. I just took it out of that
and then
box
you'll cut the foam, put more on the bottom, and instead of having a low profile, you'll go with the standard, which is nice because this doesn't fit in the low, but can fit in there.
That's why I did it. That's exactly why I did it, was so that I could put this in there.
Grinding, crates. Oh yeah. Working setup.
Yeah, this is the working setup. Yeah, look you got a blower motor bed, universal motor puller. So I don't even take the motor out. I just put that down inside and just take that one screw out and pull the motor out rather than doing all the carriage, the whole mounting.
Oh, nice.
I do a whole motor in like 6 minutes now.
He doesn't wash his pack out, so you can tell.
No.
You know that's like the #1 gripe, right? People get. I was asking him, and all of his stuff is clean. But you can tell he's using it because none of his tools are like scratch free like mine. So everyone's like, "Oh, you don't use your stuff." Well, yeah. He's like, "No, I just take care of it and clean it."
I hose them down.
Nice little setup. Mine get clean because. All right, what did you think of those vans? Those were awesome. Adam, he's an HVAC contractor, and that stuff rocks. And the other guy, totally, you gotta love that pull-out game. But even better, we've got Nathan with Milwaukee Tool, and he's gonna show us some of the awesome stuff that's over here.
Hey guys, what's up? This is Nathan from Milwaukee Tool, and we are here today at Fort Myers Home Depot, store 276, and we have an MX Fuel demo here today. We're here to kind of get some special order tools that normally people wouldn't get to handle in their hands before they buy. A little try before you buy Milwaukee Tool action here. So let's step over here. We've got our whole lineup of M12 and M18 tools, as well as the MX Fuel. So starting off over here, we have the Force Logic M18 Knockout tool on display. Option for people to try some tools out. We also have the ProPEX tool here. So that's the M12 ProPEX. Moving over here to the table, we have the M12 Press tool. We also have the M12 Pipe Shear and the M12 Wrench. Automotive guys, this is one of my favorites. I work on motorcycles and bikes personally. Outside of the office, this is one of my favorite tools. On top of that, we have the whole gambit of all of Milwaukee's millers. We've got our sawzalls, we've got our lights, the PACKOUT lights, the handheld lights, some of our impact wrenches, some of our mechanics hand tools. We also have the D-handle high torque impact wrench on display here for people to check out. We've got the utility crimper here for those of you that have crimping needs as well. And then moving over under the tent in front of my beautiful Milwaukee truck, we have the MX Fuel line. So we have everything from the MX Fuel breaker here. Give you a better angle. This is the MX Fuel breaker. On top of that, we have our SGS rotary hammers and the core drills. We have I believe this is a 4x4 by 4 inch concrete slab. I poured this last week, giving you an opportunity for customers to actually run these tools, try them out, and put them to use at the Home Depot here at store 276 Fort Myers. So we've also got the 14-inch masonry saw here. This is the MX Fuel. It is a 406 volt. If you don't mind turning on my water here, we're going to give it a shot. So moving on past the cut saw, we also have the MX Fuel inverter. This is a great opportunity for our local Floridians to kind of prepare for some hurricanes and whatnot. This is 406 volts, just as our other MX Fuel tools are. And it's a good opportunity for people to maybe run power onto a job that is not yet roughed in. But now let's take a look inside. We have an M12 and M18 demo as well. So inside we have a full-scale M12 and M18 demo, including the all-new M18 fuel mower. This is one of our newest products that hit the outdoor, the OPE line. Make sure to come check it out here at store 276 in Fort Myers or your local Home Depot if you don't live in Florida. But like I said, we've got a full comprehensive M18 and M12 demo. So I'm doing a little competition here. Who can drive 5 screws the fastest, and we're giving away free fastbacks as well. Yeah, so customers can try out our M12 and our M18 hacksaws, as well as our M12 multi-tool. This thing is one of my favorite tools. Check it out here. So it's a Fuel M12 multi-tool. I got a 4 amp hour battery and a titanium multi-purpose blade in there. This thing just sinks through anything you do. Pretty neat, huh? Now moving on from the multi-tool, that is the M12 multi-tool, we have all of our M12 promotions. So at the current moment, all of these tools on the top, ranging from the M12 brushed multi-tool to the M12 3/8 ratchet or the M12 rotary tool, you can get any one of those tools for free with purchase of either of these 3 M12 combo kits. Moving on from that, we have an M18 brushless compact drill driver kit that has a free battery on promotion with it at the moment. We also have, you know, our bread and butter, the M18 fuel hammer drill and impact driver. Then, as you see here, all of these are the M18 tools that we have on promotion with the buy more, save more at the moment. So the more you buy, the more that you save. You can start saving anywhere from $30 off on just this hammer drill kit here. The more that you add on to that purchase, we could get you up to $150 off with that single in-store promotion. But anyways, guys, thanks for tuning in today. This is Nathan from Milwaukee Tool here at Fort Myers store 276. Make sure to stop by your local Home Depot and take advantage of these awesome deals.
I'm gonna take advantage of a few deals, like as soon as he's not looking, it's on wheels, guys. So, you know, just turn it on and we just roll it right out. But you wanna hear the downside? I haven't found enough PACKOUT. I mean, I found the vans, and you guys like those. I know that. You like to see some van setups, but they do have the, you know, the PACKOUT radio. They have the PACKOUT vac. Of course, they've got some awesome tools. You can see some of that MX stuff. That mower, I was super surprised to see that all these southern Florida stores have that mower. So you guys, you know where I'm going to be going. But thanks for watching this one. I wanted to sort of give you an overview of what we've been up to down here and show off some of the cool PACKOUT vans and the Milwaukee stuff. So I appreciate you all watching, and it's about lunchtime here, so it's time for me to snack out. I'll see you. I think you should put a chocolate donut down next time you cut, and then let's frost it with concrete dust.